The Arctic is shrinking, and with it, the ancient ways of its most magnificent inhabitants. We've been told stories, but never the full truth. Today, we journey to the very top of our planet, a place of breathtaking beauty and brutal challenges. Here, colossal creatures have mastered the art of survival against all odds. From the stealthy polar bear to the gentle beluga, these white giants hold secrets to resilience. But their lives are changing faster than ever before, and understanding their struggles is key to understanding our own future. We're about to uncover what makes these animals so special and why their world is under threat. Life in the Arctic isn't just about enduring the cold, it's about thriving in it. Take the polar bear, for instance, the undisputed king of this frozen realm. These incredible predators aren't just big, they're perfectly engineered survival machines. Their fur isn't just white for camouflage, each hair is hollow, trapping air for incredible insulation, like a built-in down jacket. Underneath that fur, a thick layer of blubber provides energy reserves and another blanket of warmth. They can survive temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius, that's cold enough to freeze metal. A polar bear's world revolves around sea ice, their hunting platform for seals, their primary food source. They patiently wait by breathing holes, sometimes for hours, for a seal to surface. One successful hunt can sustain them for weeks. Females typically give birth to 1 or 2 cubs in snow dens, nurturing them for months before they emerge into the harsh world, teaching them the vital skills of survival in a landscape that leaves no room for error. But the Arctic's white giants aren't confined to land. Beneath the swirling pack ice, another marvel exists, the beluga whale. These canaries of the sea are known for their unique array of clicks, whistles, and trills, a complex language vital for navigating the dark, icy waters. Their pure white skin helps them blend with the ice from below, making them invisible to predators like polar bears and orcas. Unlike most whales, belugas have flexible necks, allowing them to turn their heads almost 90 degrees, a huge advantage when navigating complex underwater ice formations. They're social animals, often seen in large pods, working together to find fish and shrimp, using their sophisticated echolocation to see in the murky depths. Imagine living in a world where sound is your primary sense, painting a picture of your surroundings with echoes. That's the beluga's reality. And then there's the largest land predator on Earth, the Greenland shark. Yes, they're sharks, but they're also giants of the Arctic, living almost exclusively in these icy waters. What's truly mind-blowing about these creatures is their lifespan. Scientists believe they can live for up to 500 years, making them the longest living vertebrate on the planet. They literally swim through centuries, watching history unfold. They mature incredibly slowly, not reaching sexual maturity until they're around 150 years old. They move at a snail's pace, cruising the deep, dark, cold waters, feeding on whatever they can find, from fish to seals, and even polar bear carcasses. How do they survive the intense cold and pressure of the deep sea? They have a unique antifreeze compound in their tissues and a very slow metabolism. Their story is one of ultimate patience and adaptation. But these untold stories are now facing an unprecedented challenge. The Arctic is warming at twice the rate of the rest of the planet. Sea ice, the lifeblood of this ecosystem, is shrinking dramatically. For polar bear mother, less ice means fewer hunting opportunities. They have to travel further, expend more energy, and sometimes go hungry. Studies have shown significant declines in polar bear populations in areas with rapid ice loss. Scientists have even documented bears drowning due to having to swim longer distances between ice flows or becoming stranded on land, far from their hunting grounds. The ice isn't just a platform, it's their entire world, their supermarket, their highway, their home. For beluga whales, retreating ice cover might open up new areas, but it also brings them into contact with new threats. Increased shipping traffic, noise pollution from seismic surveys for oil and gas, and potential encounters with killer whales, who are moving further north as the ice recedes, all pose new dangers. Their incredible hearing, so vital for survival, is now vulnerable to human interference. Imagine trying to navigate and hunt when your world is filled with deafening noise. Even the ancient Greenland sharks are not immune. Their slow, deep-water existence relies on stable, cold conditions. Rapid changes in ocean temperature and chemistry could disrupt their delicate balance, though the full extent of this impact is still being studied. We are at a critical moment. The fate of these white giants is intertwined with the health of our entire planet. The Arctic acts as the Earth's refrigerator, and its stability affects weather patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems far beyond its icy borders. What happens in the Arctic doesn't stay in the Arctic. Protecting these animals means protecting their habitat, which in turn benefits us all. Conservation efforts are underway, from establishing protected areas to studying their migration patterns and adapting to a changing climate. But the biggest key lies in global action, reducing greenhouse gas emissions to slow down the warming trend. Each of us plays a role in this grand narrative, deciding whether these incredible creatures will continue to tell their untold stories for centuries to come, or if their final chapters are written much sooner than they should be. The resilience of the Arctic's white giants is a powerful reminder of nature's ability to adapt, but even the most specialized creatures have limits. The choices we make now will shape their future, and ours.